Yeah. Hey everybody, this is Ananda and Meico after the show, Thriving Mindfully show on Eaton Radio at the Eaton Workshop. We're doing just a quick video just to let you know that on April the 6th, we had an opportunity to talk about a mindful techie's journey to finding freedom through this practice of mindfulness. And this is Meico Whitlock, Mindful Techie founder. So say hi, Meico.
Hi, folks.
So today you talked about a number of different products and tools that you've been using, and one of the things that I wanted to highlight was the fact that you created this intention planner, the intention planner that I use daily on a regular basis. Yeah, that's what daily means. So tell them about it.
So this is the intention planner. And this is a tool that I actually developed for myself because I didn't find anything out there that really approached life from an intentional standpoint, right? You know, more than just about checking off the boxes, but about actually creating a vision that's actually aligned with how it is that you're supposed to serve, how you have been called to be, why you show up, like your deeper why, and then having your priorities and other things actually align with that. So the Intention Planner is a 90-day planner for purpose-driven professionals to really help you to get clear about what that deeper why is, what those priorities are, and how do you actually stay on track and accountable for those. And it's a really simple tool, but also just a really powerful tool that I have used the framework that this is based on for many, many years, and now I'm excited that it's actually available for everyone to be able to take advantage of.
So where can they find out about you as a mindful techie and get this intention planner?
So you can find out about me and get the planner at mindfultechie.com. That's spelled mindfultechie.com. And you can learn more about me. You can join the email list. It's the best way to stay in touch. And then you can also get a copy of the planner.
So one word to describe your experience today on the Thriving Mindfully show.
Freedom. So that was the theme that we talked about, right?
Mm-hmm. And so what is mindfulness to you?
Mindfulness is really about being on purpose with purpose. That's really what mindfulness is. And that's really, when you think about it, that's really what freedom is. I think about freedom as knowing your purpose and living your purpose.
So knowing and living your purpose as a mindful techie, what is mindful techie all about, really quickly, so people can really get the juice of and the gist of who you are?
Mindful Techie is really about helping you to live a meaningful life in today's distracted world. That's really what it's all about. You know, we have so many things that are vying for our attention, vying for our energy and our time, and you really want to be able to cut through the clutter. Right? So this isn't about checking off the box just to check them off, being busy just for the sake of being busy. But this is about understanding like what's really important and dedicating our lives to actually doing those things.
And one last question. I've been asking everybody that appears on the Thriving Mindfully show on Eaton Radio, what do you think about when you hear the phrase mindful as the new sexy?
Mindful as the new sexy, for me, it means being present. And that means being fully aware and attuned to who you are without necessarily regard to adjusting yourself based on the outside world. And I think I gave the example of, one of my personal goals is to be more present. And when I describe that as, I want to be that, that calming presence when you walk into a room. Have you ever encountered in your hurried days like an older person that you can tell that has a lot of wisdom based on their experience and based on the life that they live, and they force you to sort of slow down to adjust to their pace? That's the kind of present that I want to be.
All right. Well, I want to thank you again, Meico, for being on this show, sharing your presence and your inspiration, your expertise, your amazing Mindful Techie business, and the tools that you've created. Again, you can find Meico Whitlock, founder of Mindful Techie, at mindfultechie.com. Meico, where can they follow you on social media?
I'm at a Mindful Techie on social media. You can follow me across most major platforms. And at a Mindful Techie.
All right. You can follow me, Ananda Leeke, on all of the social media platforms. You can find out more about me and Thriving Mindfully at the Eaton Radio, as well as my offerings in personal and professional development at AnandaLeeke.com. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.